So now let's say that you want an event that is recurring, meaning let's say for example something that happens every day or every week or every other day and so forth. In that case, you can set a recurring event by creating an event right here. Let's say for example, if you were to click right here, you can go around onto more options, and then let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say daily meeting right here. So once I do that, let's say this is supposed to be every day. So what I can do is I can repeat it on a daily basis right here. On every day, let's say for example, except for Sunday and Saturday, I can repeat this out. So this is repeated every day, but from Monday through Friday right here. Once you go and click on save, now you can see a daily meeting right here, and you click on next week right here or over the month, you can see that it is there through Monday till Friday. And let's say what you want is you want other event on a weekly basis. So let's say for example, there's a weekly sync up right here. Then what you can do is, which is interdepartment right here. Then let's say for example, you want this to be repeated weekly. So you can go around and select weekly right here and select out, let's say every Friday right here, just like this. You can also go to more option right here, just like this. So you can see that this is what you have. So let's just go around onto an event. So this is what I have. So let's just go around onto more options right here. And this is going to be, let's say for example, weekly sync up meeting for interdepartment issues and updates right here. So let's say this is going to be a weekly basis right here. You can go around and select it, or you can also go around and set to custom right here. You can repeat every 3 weeks over here as well, and select out this, as you can see, and set the stop date, as you can see right here, and press OK. So this is what you have, as you can see, and once you click on save, then it will be reflected out right here. So you can see that there's a daily meeting right here, there's a weekly sync up meeting that happens every 3 weeks, just like this. And if I were to go around and then let's say for example delete this, then you can delete only this event or delete all events or only the following events. Let's say for example of the daily meeting, I'm going to go around and delete this out, but this and following events only. So after this, all the daily meetings are deleted, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around and set up recurring events inside of Microsoft Outlook calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.